Hello guys, in this video we try to speak about Uber and Lyft, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your teacher and coach. For this video, we try just to see Lyft and Uber, since they are competitors and they enter to the stock market. So we try to see what's going on. Understand that Lyft has lost a lot of money. I told you before, each week or two, I will give you some information and it will tell you the scenarios that will happen. And if it happens, what does it mean? So I have spoken about Lyft for this time. And then on Friday, we have Uber that the beginning was not good, as you can see. So next week will be decisive. For Uber and Lyft, try to see where things go, because people, they begin to sell Uber, to sell Lyft, okay? They don't see any earnings, anything, and they begin to hear the news. They lost money and the other stuff. This is what analysts say about the company itself, because this is something that it is published by the company itself, okay? And Uber, it's the same thing. They are losing money also. So both of them, they are not really making big money. And investors, they are very scared when they see that companies are not making money, and especially when most analysts say these companies are worthless. It means don't buy them. Okay? So let's go to the chart and see some stuff. Now we begin. Let's begin with Lyft. Lyft, 29 of March, Friday, it began. Just the first day, 87, 88, it goes to 78. Okay? So here, $10 lost in the first day. In the first day, it lost $10. It continues to go down, 69, and then it goes down, then it goes up, then it collapses again. It makes a new low here on the 10th of April, and I make a video about this when it makes this new low, and then it goes down, and then it goes up, and I make what we call a small resistance line here, and they say if Lyft crosses, it could be going up, but it didn't cross. It crossed a little bit here, but was not strong, and then it collapsed. And then I make a video here, and they say if Lyft crosses again, it will be going down. It crossed here, but it crossed on Friday, and it lost $4.09. It lost 7.41%. So Lyft is going into a big downtrend. Now let's go to Uber. Uber opens at 42. It goes to 45. It goes down to 41.06, and it closes at 41.57. So the beginning is not good for Uber, as you can see. Now, the only thing that we should see is next week. Okay? We will see what Uber does or will do in 1 week, and we will see Lyft, what it will do after this downtrend. Will it continue to go down into a downtrend, or it will go up again and do good? So we will never know. But the mood of the market stops going down for Friday, if next week it's going up, maybe something happened to Lyft or to Uber. Okay, so try to follow Uber and Lyft and pay attention, because if one of them have been bought like in the following weeks, maybe you forget about Lyft, you forget about Uber, and this is what always happens. You forget about them, and after 6 months, 1 year, you find, for example, Uber, it is $100, okay? Or Lyft, it will change the direction, and now it is $100 or $200. So no one knows, okay? So always keep an eye on the IPO and make sure you just check them, put them in the portfolio and check them each time, okay? Sometimes you can make a lot of money from them. Thank you.